May 27, 2023, Jupiter and Saturn are visible before daybreak. Venus, Mars, and the gibbous moon are visible after nightfall. Photo caption, 2022, January 29, Venus, Mars, and the crescent moon in the southeast before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:21 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:15 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated by the U.S. Naval Observatory's MICA computer program. The change of daylight's length is slowed to 1 to 2 minutes each day. The length is 6 minutes short of 15 hours. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th, Saturn and the star Fomalhaut are in the southeast during morning twilight. Two bright planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are visible during morning twilight in the eastern sky. Saturn is easier to locate, over 25 degrees above the southeast horizon. While not as bright as Venus or Jupiter, it is among the brightest stars in the sky this morning. Saturn is nearly 20 degrees to the upper left of Fomalhaut, that is over 6 degrees above the horizon. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th, Jupiter and the star Capella are in the eastern sky before sunrise. At this hour, bright Jupiter is over 5 degrees above the eastern horizon. It continues to emerge from brighter twilight into a darker sky. It is over 12 degrees to the lower right of Hamel, meaning the full-grown Lamb, Aries' brightest star. Capella is farther northward along the horizon, over 4 degrees up in the north-northeast. At times, this star appears both after sunset in the west and in the eastern pre-dawn sky. This occurs because the star is far enough north to be seen at both times during late spring. Capella is the fourth brightest star in the sky this morning after Jupiter, Arcturus, and Vega. It is nearly 20 degrees to the lower left of Merphak, meaning the elbow of the Pleiades, in Perseus. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th, Jupiter and Mercury are in the eastern sky as sunrise nears. Mercury is beginning to appear low in the east-northeast during brighter twilight. Rising nearly an hour before sunrise, it is only 4 degrees above the horizon and over 9 degrees to the lower left of Jupiter. The gap between them is too large for both to fit into the same binocular field of view. Because of the level of twilight and that Mercury is not bright, the binocular's optical assist is needed to see it. The moon reaches its first quarter phase at 10:22 p.m. CDT. It does not until early afternoon. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th, the moon is near Leo's Regulus and Dianbola. At an hour after sundown, the slightly gibbous moon, 54% illuminated, is over halfway up in the southwest. It is over 10 degrees to the upper left of Regulus, Leo's brightest star, and nearly 15 degrees to the lower right of Dianbola, the lion's tail. Chart caption, Venus moves in front of Gemini, May 7th to June 2nd, 2023. Farther westward at this hour, brilliant Venus blazes from in front of Gemini's stars. It can be simply described as that bright star in the west after sunset. The planet is stepping eastward, 4.3 degrees to the lower left of Pollux, one of the twins, and 12.6 degrees to the lower right of dimmer Mars. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th, Venus and Mars are with bright stars in the western sky after nightfall. Venus is quickly overtaking Mars in the sky, noticeably cutting the distance each night. On its way toward Mars, Venus passes Pollux in a wide conjunction in 2 evenings. The red planet is marching eastward in front of Cancer's dim stars, 11.9 degrees to the upper left of Pollux. Mars is dimmer from week to week, now about the same brightness as Castor, the other twin. Notice the brighter stars nearby. Procyon and Capella are in the same region as the planets and Gemini. Capella, meaning the little she-goat, is less than 20 degrees above the northwest horizon at this hour. It sets in the north-northwest after midnight and rises in the north-northeast before sunrise, a later setter and earlier riser compared to the Sun. Chart caption, 2023, May 27th. Through a binocular, Mars and the Beehive star cluster are visible in the same field of view. Look toward Mars with a binocular when the sky is darker. Place the planet to the lower right portion of the field of view. The Beehive star cluster is visible to the upper left along with the 2 donkey stars, Acellus Borealis and Acellus Australis. The cluster is also known as the Priasape, meaning manger. Watch Mars nightly change compared to the star cluster. On the evening of June 2nd, the planet appears to be in the cluster.